ngắm anh em trên một chiếc xe tăng đã xuống trần cả những người như một.
Today we start our fourth day of Jeep tour. Where are we going?
So today, the day 4, we go to Lak Lake. On the way now we go to the Rice Shop waterfall.
Okay, we see elephants today.
Yeah, and
Maybe.
then we go to Lak Lake. And then available we will see.
Okay, so surprise.
Yeah.
We don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you booking, I can organize.
Okay.
Noodle come from the rice, you know. So family processing, making the vermicelli, the rice noodle. They prefer 300 kilograms in the tank. So they processing, washing, you know, washing, lick for 3 hours. 3 hours to 6 hours overnight. And the next morning, we go processing the powder. You know, the powder, they need the water. Flour, let's just put the flour. This noodle, yeah, noodle different. Different material. Bamboo. Cracker to you to tie down like this.
But this is rice also.
No,
No?
not right.
This what?
Cái củ này củ chi quên rồi?
Củ rong.
À, củ rong. Rong roots.
It's a tree.
It's a root.
Yes, the root of
Okay.
the tree.
Root.
Yeah, the root. Look like cassava but different.
Nghe lời kinh thánh vang cầu nhìn nhau không
Bên trong này bỏ cái gì?
cầu vì biết nói nhau gì đâu.
Bán lẻ là cái người ăn là cả 10.000. Cái này là sao? Phải có tay. Nước bán.
There is the meat dog restaurant, but they close in the morning. They open about 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon.
It's dog meat.
Yeah, dog meat restaurant.
What's this place here, Mr. Thong?
The Rainu waterfall. Rainu waterfall, Thak the Rainu in Dalat province.
So we are in a park now to see a very nice waterfall here. It's a must do also in this trip of 5 days Jeep tour. Let's check it out. To come to this waterfall you have to pay 30,000 dongs per person.
The right up waterfall 100 meters wide and higher 11 meters. That's Serabok River, you know, in Dalat province. Going to Cambodia border, and then to Mekong, intersection to Mekong. Now government they make the dam, you know, so to limit the water, so not a lot water.
Thong đưa qua cắt thành si nớp đọt trai rê rơ ra đọt miêu thank you. Bye thank you.
This is the dam.
Yeah, the dam is how does the major power plantation?
Is it electricity?
Yes, power plantation, electricity. So this one they lock. So too much water they can open, escape water this way, and this way they have tunnel. So another they have generator. Okay, tunnel 2-3 kilometer, and then the other they have generator to make the power plantation. Vietnam. Black pepper, the highlight, and we stop to see the cacao also. Okay, pork, fried pork.
Em chiên sườn với lại chiên trứng nhá.
Wow, đậu trứng sao được rồi?
Sườn
Trứng
à?
trứng, trứng chiên rồi.
Em nhớ mắt.
We made before, you know. So we have many places, but this one they're good and very friendly, you know, for the lunch. Okay. Okay. Cashew. Đây là mà đang mẫu trắng mẫu tô mà nó ấy. Đây nè.
Rồi. Em nghe là bác lấy cho lấy với tô. Sao?
Không, thôi dọn hết lên, bớt cho ăn. Ok. Đâu, phải bưng cái tô, đưa đây. Cái chén ở đây chút.
Vậy ra cho nó mong thằng nào.
Chén này. Rồi đưa đây. Đưa đây. Ok, let's go. Cashew nuts. We are in Luck Lake Hospital. Okay. For the Daniel to visit the hospital.
Danielle is a nurse, so she's very curious about how is the hospital in Vietnam. especially in small villages. We are.
Vitamin. Bệnh viện ở đây mình hospital. Viện Lắc Lake.
So let's visit the hospital. So now we come to our hotel. What's the name of this hotel?
Lắc Lake Resort.
Yeah, Mr. Thong. His video. You chose very good this hotel today. Eh?
Okay.
The last night sleeping is the best. Best one.
Good for you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, see you soon for the dinner. Yeah. Ciao.
2 more days. Go to Mune. Zip to Dalat to Mune.
Yes.
Okay.
Ciao.